and we all listen to in our institute from the top experts and authorities on the subject, and I hope everybody has learned a lot. It's for the trainees, it was very important from the exam point of view, and for the practicing doctors and ophthalmologists, it was very important to learn the new protocols. And for example, for today, we first listened to Dr. Tariq, the new advances, and honestly, I'll tell you, I learned a lot from that. And Dr. Sanaullah talk, that was really, I'll say, eye opener. It was not. It opened our eyes widely. How much is the financial implications? And Zahid, of course, community approach, that was very important. Lastly, Dr. Mukhtar talk, which again, we are sitting in OPD, we are examining patients, and we just focus on his eyes. How is your vision? It has improved. It has diabetic retinopathy. It has much better than before. But the saying that to each two eyes is attached a human being. So we should holistically think of the of a patient, and that is what Dr. Mukhtar has very elaborately talked about that. Uh, well, with that, probably these workshops, sitting here and listening, is for one person, it looks an easy job. But arranging these workshops, bringing these speakers, and all these arrangements, I tell you, it is a very, very difficult job. In the one person, if I'll say, behind it was a team, of course, and credit goes to the whole team. But the one person who arranged it, who thought about it, and who materialized it. So I am really personally, and on behalf of the department, I'm really thankful to Professor Sanaullah, who arranged this very useful workshop. And having
Real name I don't have done much now, because now it's so much in automation
yes,
that people,
yes, yes.
the teamwork there is there. Everybody knows what to do. There are people who will be taking care of the shields. There are people who will be making certificates. There are people who will be coordinating with all the speakers. Everyone. There are people who will be taking care of CME certificates. Everything. So everything is now in automation. I am not the person. It's all the teamwork, and Zia is the coordinator.
Yeah, I know.
Credit again goes to Dr. Rajan to make such a nice team.
Yes. So the congratulations to the whole team and the whole members, the speakers. Zia, of course, has taken a lot of load. Again, that's true. Me here and Dr. Sanaullah, we are very lucky of having such dedicated members and faculty members and team who are probably doing 99% of our job. But still, at the end, I'll say every successful, even if it is a teamwork or whatever, a main or brain behind it, still credit goes. So, okay, with that, thank you very much. And probably you will be waiting for a minute more for Dr. Arif, Professor Arif, and he will grace and come to give the prizes.
Ask Zia to say more of thanks.